you're gonna see it. And I hope you copy how I do it. I might make one or two, so I'm gonna make a origami tissue box with the help of my mom. And we will pick which colors. I'll probably pick blue because my favorite colors in blue is blue, and I got my mom's two favorite colors. Again, purple and green. And I hope you subscribe, do a huge thumbs up, and follow, share, and smash the like button, and like my video. That's all. Oh yeah, we are doing a tissue box. Okay, you need to fold it again. So yeah, you have to do the same. Huh? So if you forgot, watch me or watch the first video, like put it back to the first beginning. But if you can't do it, ask a parent. Whoa! I had to fold that like that. Down that side. Now you do the other side. Again. Yeah, do the other side, both sides. And then get these things, put it backwards, fold it, do that. There. See? And now you fold it just get the ruler, the magic ruler. I'm going to crazy. Now you. Oh yeah, we're almost done. It's the boat. You do that. You get the point and put it, and make sure it's in the middle, and do the other one. Just the same. Okay. And then get it out. There. Now it's the same. There. I have to.
No, just put it there. You need to make another one, right?
Oh yeah. Put it in here. So you see this part? You should have like a little line here. You get it. Get another one. Do this. Put it through. I had the box. I had the box. And a smile. There. Mommy, look. Now we have to do this. So parent to help. Yeah, for the hole, because you need like a sharp thing. But I got some blue glue. Oh, it's a big, I'm rolling it. Oh no. Tissue box.
Leo, take a tissue. Get a check?